tayo minsan di makapag-share ng gospel? Because we're too focused on our livelihood. We're so worried about our future, worried about our food, worried about our clothing. Anong sagot ng Diyos? But seek His kingdom, and these things will be added unto you. Ano sabi niya? Unahin mo yung kalooban ng Diyos, yung kaharian ng Diyos, lahat ng ito, idaragdag niya sa inyo. Anong lahat ng yan? Kakainin mo, danamtan mo, pati ang mga titirahan mo, bahala sa dyan. Kaya sa halip na mag-aral ka sa Lazada at sa Shopee, mag-memorize ka ng verses. Do not be afraid, little flock, for your Father has chosen gladly to give you the kingdom. Whoa! Ang sarap niya, sell your possession and give to the charity. Make yourself money belts which do not wear out, and unfailing treasure in heaven, where thief comes near, not destroys. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Ano sabi ng Diyos? Asan ang totoo mong yaman? Doon bang makitang maraming kaluluwang pupunta sa langit because you knew that you were faithful to the work that God has entrusted you to do? Hello? Pakisabi sa katabi mo, be a blessing. Share the gospel. Bakit gospel? Kasi lahat ng bagay na feeling mong pera nakatulong sa kanya, maganda yon, pero saan siya dadalhin? Hanggang sa susunod lang na yugto ng kanyang buhay. Pero pagdating sa langit, hindi yan magkakasya. Hindi yun uubra. Listen to this. God will take care of everyone whose care is God's business.